Rimac C_2 2018. The Rimac C2, stylized as C_2, is a semi-autonomous all-electric sports car designed and manufactured by the Croatian automotive manufacturer Rimac Automobili. Unveiled at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, it is the automaker's second car after the Rimac Concept 1 and is described as a significant technological leap, dubbed a car alive with technology. The exterior was designed by the Croatian-born Austrian Adriano Mutri. Rimac plans to produce 150 vehicles and is currently in the process of homologation for the global market. The first deliveries are expected to take place in 2020. The C_2 was sold out almost 3 weeks after its launch. The C2 is manufactured in the same factory and at the same rate, of roughly one per week, as the Pininfarina Battista, which is based on the same platform. During the global homologation process, the company constructed 4 prototypes for different testing purposes. In June 2020, Rimac opened a new facility in Veliko Trgovice which will serve as assembly for C_2 homologation prototypes as well as future production vehicles for customers. At full capacity, the facility should produce 4 vehicles per month and currently plans to produce an additional 13 prototype vehicles by the end of 2020. The delivery of production cars to customers was initially planned in 2020, but was postponed to 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. With an alleged top speed of 415 km per hour, 258 miles per hour, and a power output of 1,408 kilowatts, 1,914 PS, 1,888 horsepower, the car is claimed to be capable of accelerating to 97 km per hour, 60 miles per hour, from a standstill in 1.85 seconds, making it potentially one of the fastest accelerating cars ever made. It is also the highest top-speed electric production car ever made. While also advertising a maximum range of 647 km, 402 miles, on the next cycle. The car is also claimed to be able to complete 2 consecutive laps of the Nürburgring with a negligible drop in performance. Rimac claims the car was designed to be very durable and could be driven hard. In addition to this, the car is technologically capable of level 4 of autonomous driving with full advanced driver assistance systems, and is unlocked using face recognition technology. If connected to a fast charger, it can be recharged to 80% in less than 30 minutes. The car features an entirely new design and does away with the conventional doors, now incorporating butterfly doors instead. It also has a fire extinguisher in the back held in by a leather strap embossed with the words "In case of hill climb, extinguish fire," a reference to the Grand Tour host Richard Hammond who crashed a Concept 1 during a hill climb, causing it to catch on fire. Jonathan Lopez of Top Speed magazine acclaimed the C_2 stating that it is an absolute game changer, and not just in the F segment. Between the onboard tech and mind-boggling performance specs, this machine has the goods to take on the best of the best. Tom Ford of Top Gear tested the early prototype in March 2020. He praised the punch-out in the corners despite the weight of the car, as well as giving plenty of feedback, concluding that it tastes good raw, even without the torque vectoring wizardry. But with a base car that shows this level of promise, and a company that focuses on fun rather than figures, this bodes well. Vlad Savitt of The Verge criticized its looks by describing them as anonymous and unexciting, and comparing them as less flamboyant to that of Lamborghini Huracan. However, he admitted that the car is more forgiving and accommodating than most other hypercars, but stated that the readouts on the infotainment were too distracting.